Hey guys, I'm excited to try this out. I just got in my suspension kit for I'm gonna put it on my Cub Cadet. Now them springs under the seat plate, they helped a lot, but I'm still getting beat up and I wanted to see if this Trac Seat suspension kit would work. I've seen a bunch of reviews and the reviews have been good. So this is where I got the seat. They even put stickers on it, tell you where to go for the installation video. Spacers might be needed between the seat and the sliding racks. And then it also asks you to call them or email them if you need help or you have some installation issues. I'm gonna show you how I install it, like I always do. It's not gonna be an overly produced video because none of mine are. I just kind of show you through the lens of the camera on my phone. But anyway, this is what the suspension kit looks like. Look at these big old heavy duty springs. They are way bigger than those motorcycle seat springs I put under the plate, which I'm probably gonna leave on and put this on because my yard is pretty rutty, and the other day my back hurt for 3 days. I couldn't get any sleep. They do have spacers they sell you with the kit. I went ahead, I don't know if I need them. They do tell you to measure, and if you do all the measurements, you can determine if you need them before you order them. I just went ahead and ordered them just in case I need them. That way I could show you what they look like. I have seen other videos where people they just stack washers, and honestly, for the cost of these and the cost of a stack of washers is probably about the same. This might be a little nicer. So they packaged all your hardware in here with the plate. Got your directions here. Anyway, we'll go over all this. We'll do it on the fly. That's how I do it. I'm gonna take this down to the garage and then I'm gonna go out and pull the old Cub Cadet into the garage. I'm excited to get this thing on there and try it out. I've seen some really good reviews on there. I'm gonna find out for myself and I'm gonna let you guys know. Move these out of the way. I'm gonna do another video. These are my other set of Cub Cadet blades, and I'm gonna just show you how to sharpen them up. Let's go ahead and unpack this thing. The hardware, spacers. And then here's the suspension seat. The suspension mount for the seat. You can see right here, you turn it. It says pull and turn. So you pull the knob out and you turn it for a softer ride or a firmer ride. So I can't wait to check this out. I'm really excited about this. And a big thank you to Trac Seats. A big thank you for the discount code. Installing suspension to a seat with a shell type structure, floor mounting needs to be flat. And if you flip it over, installing suspension to a seat with a tube frame. Not sure what mine is. We're gonna find out. I gotta go get it and bring it in the garage. I'll get everything set up and ready. So we got 8 bolts, 8 nuts, 4 split ring lock washers, and 4 fender washers. 4 to bolt this down to the seat plate on the Cub Cadet, and 4 to bolt the seat to this. Here's the Trac Seat suspension kit. Here's that knob I was talking about. Here's all the nuts and bolts. Here's the spacers if I need them. Here's the directions. So let's go get the Cub Cadet. Going up to get the Cub Cadet. Ember's excited, even though she won't ride on it with me. So I'm gonna go in here, grab it, take it around, pull it in the garage. I'll see you in there.